How to turn on general interests on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on general interests on Opera Mini. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then click on this icon here, Opera icon, and now click this one and then just go down until you find here this one, data collection, and then you will find here general interests. Click on it, and as you see now general interest has been turned on just by one click, and that's how to turn on general interests on Opera Mini fast and easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.